to Jeju Island. We got a rental car and now we're here. Oh, it's so pretty. The lava rock. We're going along Rainbow Road. It has a bunch of these little rainbow blocks all along it, and if you can see in the background, there are some more down there. That's super cute. Good morning. We are on our way to our first stop of the day, which is the Park 9.81 Park, Jeju. It's like a place where you can go, go karting, and there's a bunch of other games you can play. So we're on our way. I wanted to show you the windmills. Oh no, the windmills in the middle of the ocean. They're so cool. Why is yours going so fast? Wait, that was really fun. That was really fun. Now it's on auto drive and it's auto driving me. I wonder how much of that was auto drive. I don't know. And it drives you back up the hill. That's so cute. Jack got on the board. Padres first.
위치입니다. 골대와의 거리는 31m.
32m.
어느 위치로 찰지 고민하고 있는 모습입니다. 자, 이제 키커 선택해야 합니다.
Oh!
힘이 너무 약해.
You missed! You missed!
빠른 슛이 들어갈 확률이 높습니다.
Hit high, hit high. Yeah!
어긋나 있는 것 같습니다.
Trash. Trash. Bang. Oh, save. Oh, what a save. What a save. What a save. Oh, you suck, Megan. Game over. Oh, they didn't even score one. I already won.
Now we are at the Osolok Tea Museum, where they make green tea and they specialize in their matcha. And we got lots of goodies. The strawberry matcha latte, this ice cream, this cake and cheesecake, and this matcha latte with oat milk because that's how it's supposed to be drinking. And this, I don't know what that is.
Only in Jeju Island. Better to eat the ice cream before it melts. We need lunch.
That's good.
Good. I was gonna write the whole wall, making stop me.
Should have bought
I want to buy a whole wall.
Everyone, if you've been following my dad's skin journey, he has a lot of dark spots. We have come here today to the Einstein bar place for vitamin C, green tea, enzyme brightening serum for his dark spots.
It fades rapidly.
So we are
Just
applying.
apply right on it.
Maya.
disappearing.
His dark spot.
Okay.
Are they gone?
No. Yeah.
It's fading, man. Are they gone now?
I can see it.
We're here at a sashimi place. This is mackerel sashimi. Look at our spread, bro. Look, everyone, we cleared. Except for the soup, it was angry. But we cleared the sashimi, which was okay.
Oh.
Mackerel is better grilled, clearly, because we ate all the grilled ones to the bits, bro. He's been asking to go to McDonald's this whole trip.
Yeah, but nobody's letting me go to McDonald's for some reason.
Why do you think that is?
I don't know. They got new Korean McDonald's here. New, like, items.
Then get it when you're on your way home.
Do they have one in the airport?
Probably. Look it up. It's Seoul Airport. It's Incheon.
Think about it.
Okay. That's literally what she did to me earlier. My puffer fish! It's my puffer fish! I got an iced coffee with almond today. We got our 7-Eleven drinks. Nate's trying this matcha latte thing.
It's good.
It's good? Let me see. Actually, I won't.
Trade.
Yeah.
What'd you get again? The piece?
Almond.
Almond. Ooh. Mine's a lot sweeter than yours.
Yours is very sweet.
Just how I like it. Just how I like it.
Now we're heading to the alpaca farm. Damage done. This is the last piece.
Oh, man. Best meal in Korea right here. Jeez.
Randy's donuts from Iron Man. I'm sitting in front of the Miffy store and I got stuff at the Miffy store and they gave us this cute bag. It's an event exclusive. I thought I would give you guys a haul. The lighting's better this way, but I can't see myself, so just bear with me. We got these jeju tan mango fruity snacks. And then I got this cute Miffy. It says jeju. And then I got this. Oh, this is my dad's. My dad got one. I don't know exactly where he's gonna put it. We got 2 reusable bags. This white one. And this blue one. This is my mom's. And then, I didn't know we got this. I didn't even know we got this. Maybe it came with it, I don't know. My mom got this cute little magnet. And then I got this little Henyo scuba diver. So cute. So yeah, that's the haul. Super cutie. It was a good haul. And they do tax refunds. And they gave us this nice event exclusive bag. Solid day. We're gonna head to dinner now, which is barbecue. And now I'm sitting on Rainbow Road. Beef time.
What's it about? I'm trying to think.
Bulgogi.
You don't know?
Bulgogi is not cooked on here. Bulgogi is cooked there. Yeah. Driving in Korea, Nate's listening to country music. I'm gonna try and vlog a little bit while we're driving, but I don't know if you'll be able to see because it's dark. My dad had beer, so I'm driving now. So we'll see. My parents are getting chicken for tomorrow's breakfast. Fried chicken. Then we're heading back. a 40-minute drive back. Boop. Good morning, vlog. We are headed to the airport to drop off my brother and my dad so they can go back to America. My mom is driving. Oh, so far so good though. We'll take you along for the day today. Then my mom and I are heading to the south side of the island where we're gonna stay for the next couple of days. And we have some eventful things to do today. Lots of places to hit, so we have to be fast.
Have fun, smile a little bit. Bye. Bye, Mom. Bye, have fun. Parents should be marvelous.
Marvelous, everyone.
Home in a week. I guess I will pick you up. Ow! Thank you.
We're at the Cherry Blossom Festival, and I got a cherry blossom latte. And this chicken thing, and yeah, whatever that is. Scallop cheese. Scallop cheese. This sashimi is good. Melt in your mouth. We're here at Cheonjaeyeon Waterfall, a national monument in a subtropical forest. So we're now on the south side of Jeju Island, and I guess from like what I can see, oh, there's cherry blossoms. The south side is a little bit more tropical, and it has less like pine trees, and has more of this kind of, to me it looks more like greenery, but it has like a different environment, forestry, I don't know. Jeju Island is about, I would say, like maybe 4 to 5 hours to go around the whole perimeter, or like the circumference of the island, and then it's about an hour to get from north to south. Oh, there's 2 waterfalls. Okay, I got it. Oh, it smells really good. Oh no, I want to go to the temple. But this...
Let's go to the temple with the golden orange.
Hey, it's for the sacrifice to Buddha. We're here to have hair tail, which is giant. Look at that. Guys, we're eating the oranges we picked and they're so good.
This is the one.
Like, look how beautiful they are, and they're like so delicious. Don't pick them.
Not these ugly ones.
Those aren't
These
ugly.
Are good.
Those are the good ones.
No, these
So
are the best.
we learned that the ones off the road, they're all ornamental. They're just for show because they're so tart and so like bitter that people don't eat them. They just use them for show and to like decorate their homes and stuff.
On the tree, leave it on the tree.
Yeah, they leave it on the tree to like make it look pretty in their house, in their yards. And so now we look stupid because we were like trying to steal these, and we steal them from the Buddhist temple. So no wonder no one cared if we stole them, because they're not good to eat anyways. So anyways, we look stupid.
That's
But
why
these are
nobody's
good.
picked them.
That's why nobody picked them. Now we're stupid. This is my third orange.
Nobody want to watch you eat orange.
Hello vlog. We're on our way. It's a rainy day today, so we're gonna still try to make the best of it. Which one should I go to? This one? This lane? Yeah, probably. We're gonna still make the best of it. And so we're on our way to Snoopy Garden.
Yay!
Yay!
Remember, you have to
I'm very excited.
go right after that.
Yeah. I'm very excited. It should be fun. And then after that, we're gonna go to like a UNESCO site, which are lava caves, because this whole island was made by a volcano, and so there's a lot of like lava things. Like you saw like the columnar, like hexagonal rocks, or like what is it, hexagonal columns that we saw on the cliffs. Like that's made from lava, and so there's like a lot of lava things to do. So we're going there, and then after that we're heading to probably do some cafe hopping because it's rainy. And then after that in the afternoon we're gonna be going to the Haenyeo Museum. It has like a collection of things about the women scuba divers. What is going on here?
Because you have to yield. You're going to follow all these cars. Watch out, this car is coming.
Oh,
You didn't even who's who.
I don't know where I'm just kind of going.
Yeah, oh, he's coming this way. Then why they
I don't know.
almost hit you?
I don't know. We made it to Snoopy Garden. I'm so excited. Snoopy Garden. They have like a Snoopy or a Charlie Brown baseball field, Linus's blanket garden, Lucy's I think like some like workshop place for Lucy, and oh, I'm so excited. So cute. Snoopy Garden house.
Are you the opposing? Home run!
My mom says this is me. Cute, so cute. Lunchtime. We have abalone, stone-pot rice, and mango. Places I wanted to go to today are closed. We tried to go to the lava tube place, closed. And then I wanted to go to the Haenyeo Museum, closed. And then the diving show for the Haenyeos, probably not open, closed. Because originally this day was supposed to be tomorrow, and we were supposed to hike Halasan today, but it's raining really bad, so we're like, let's not hike Halasan today. But anyways, we stumbled upon this market, Sehwa Market, traditional market, and so we're gonna take a look around. Look how orange this tangerine is.
For that one?
사모님 가도 되죠?
Really sweet.
My mom is going to buy some cakes. We're at the Sogwipo mid-oil market, everyday market. We got our kimbap and stuff. Black pork something, I don't know. The guy played with a lot of fire. like this one better. Good morning. I'm eating some kimbap right now. It's 6:40 in the morning. We're running late, but it's fine. Mom and I are hiking Halasan today. Halasan is the biggest mountain on Jeju Island. It's basically originally, or like it was, a volcano, and so there's a great big crater on the top. But it's about a 9.6 kilometer hike in. So that's about, I would say, 6 miles. I had a really spicy one this morning and I was like low-key dying, and so now all I have is like a partially spicy kimbap and some protein drink in my stomach, and I don't feel great, but I feel fine. My mom is at a CU or 7-Eleven getting her coffee right now. Here she is. And then we're gonna be en route. It's gonna be a long day today. Maybe I'll record check-ins. I'll record check-ins every mile.
Huh?
If I walk.
Okay, and then also how about my, I have to look for my check-in, my code, whatever it's called.
QR code?
QR code.
Well, yeah, okay. We'll figure it out. We started
Kilometers.
0.2 kilometers. We started at 7:17, and we learned that the summit is closed today because of strong wind, so we can only go 7 kilometers up. I'm sad.
That means we just have to come back another time
I have to come back again
in 10 years.
in 10 years.
Come in April.
We should
can go
have.
in everywhere.
We could have. The best day to hike it was when Nate and Dad were here.
Oh.
1 mile. We made it.
25 minutes.
Now we're going up this hill. I'm glad the wind is being protected, or we're protected from the wind by the trees. Mile 2. Well, actually we're starting mile 3. Anyways, we made it. Mile 2. I thought we were gonna get above the trees at some point, but we haven't. We're still in the trees, but the trees have kind of changed to these pines. Your heart rate went down? So here we go, a map. We're taking this trail, but there's like 5 other trails you can take to get to it. But these are the only 2 that go to the top. But we can't even go here to the top. We're probably only gonna go up to here. A little past 3 miles. Ooh, mud. We're about to reach the hard part, which is probably a significantly higher incline. So bear with me. Don't know when, but soon. Mile 4. Had to redo my hair twice already because it was all 乱七八糟. So anyways, we are.
I had 3.9.
You loser. I'm at 4. We're in the middle of the incline part. I don't think all my Stairmaster is helping me. My legs are tired. I sound tired. I'm actually not that tired. Anyways, so Mom saw some old people coming down, so now she feels revitalized in her energy. We were so close, yet so far. Mile 5. We're heading back down now. We got up in about 2 hours, so we're thinking we'll get down in an hour and a half probably, if we can avoid all these puddles. But I'm sad the summit wasn't open, but it was very windy at the top, so can't do anything about that one. 6 miles. 6 miles. My mom's jacket is all wet. Ooh.
Wind blue. There's no air.
It's all wet. We're about, let's see, it's about the 3-hour mark. I think we're almost down. I can't really tell, I don't know. I think we have 2 miles to go. Yep. Well, we're at mile 7. My mom is like way in front of me because she's like hell-bent on trying to get to the other mountain and then coming back, or watching the diving show and then coming back to the waterfalls that are near our hotel. But like, bro, I'm not trying to fall, bro. There's too many rocks. Okay, we are at 8 miles. We're almost there. I think we have a mile left. 1.9 kilometers, it says, until the parking lot. Mile 9. We're very close to the end. I completely lost my mom between the last checkpoint. But we're at the end now. We did it in 4 hours. It's very good. Here's the end. I'll take you through. That's it. Finished at 11:41 in exactly 4 hours. We're here to watch the Haenyeo diving show.
They're mad. Sit down in there.
And everybody's in the way, so they're moving them all out of the way.
Gone to the right place.
Oh my god. Restaurant. We have some mandus, and then this is beef soup, like what my mom makes at home, but then my mom and I are on a walk because we're so full.
Yeah, ate too much.
We ate too much, so we're on
For
a walk.
$20.
I know, for only $20. All of that, so good. But what's crazy is that we're walking there. We have no plans to buy anything because we are literally penniless. We have 3,000 won collectively on our persons. That's like $2. We can't even buy anything.
Why are you going faster? Come here, boy. Now I'm coming.
Bye bye.
Come here. Woo! Oh, pick it up there. Almost in the Mercedes. Coming down this corner. Oh, this is Caddy. Oh, through goes Hamilton. Unbelievable.
about to do some damage.